How to make Duolingo account public. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can make your account in Duolingo public profile. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. First of all, forgive me because I'm translating this with Google Translate. I don't know why this is showing my dashboard in a different language. So the steps are going to be the same, but probably the word is going to be quite different. All you have to do is go into the left panel and go into the last option with the three dots. I suppose the original word is more, but I'm going into it and now get into settings. Here in settings, here in the right part, I have a different menu and we're going into the last one, the privacy settings. And now the first option, it says make my profile public. So this is going to allow other users to find your profile and follow you. It also allows you to follow others and access public links. If you don't want to make your profile public, you're going to lose these features. And if you want to let it like that, you just have to save changes. Once you have saved those changes, your profile it's not gonna be public again. Let me show you that you're gonna lose these features. If you want to do it again, just check this box, save the changes again, and now your profile is public. And that's how it works. That's how you can make a Duolingo account public. Thanks for watching.